Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am showing you guys how to customize your jean jacket. So yes, I got vinyl on the front, it's cropped, and I shredded the back. Oh, and can you see? It's an easy run on the back. Yep, it's also vinyl. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get on with the video.
Okay, so what you're gonna need is a good pair of scissors and some tweezers, and then your jean jacket, which I've already started the cutting process, and you can use any jean jacket you want to use, like it doesn't matter what kind of jean jacket it is. Okay, so now I am about to take this top part, and I've already cut a little slit in the middle so it can make it easier for me to cut down on each side, because I want to make that big slit smaller so they're not really big when I like wash it. And now I'm about to cut the other side. And now I'm about to do the second one the same way I did the first one. And now I have two smaller slits and one big slit. See the big one, and I have two small ones. Now this is what the jacket looked like after I done cut all the big pieces smaller. Okay, so don't want my camera. My front camera is broke, so that's why it's a little blurry. But this is what it looks like after I done washed and dried it, after it was cut up. It is a big hole at the top because I did like pull out the string so it'd look extra distressed, but it came apart. So I'm gonna fix that. But this is the way it looks. It looks good. It looks nice. I like it. But on the back, I'm going to be adding some vinyl. So that's the first one that I'm going to put on there. It's my little nickname. And then I'm going to put Long Live YD. And then I'll put 2 Live on there. And I'm going to iron those. Okay, so now that I have ironed it, I'm pulling off the plastic. And there is the finished product of my glitter vinyl. And it says Savizi Rama. That's what my dad calls me. So I'll put it on there. It might look a little crooked, but it's not. Okay, so now I'm doing the same thing with this one. I ironed over it like 2 times. And I let it sit on it for a little bit. And then I took the plastic off. As you see here, I took it off. But then I set it back on there because I wanted to make sure that it was completely like melted onto to my jacket. But that's the finished product.
This is the final look of the jacket. I added some pins, and then this is the back. Okay, so I really like how this jacket turned out. It's really cute. Summer vibes. If we ever get off quarantine, lockdown. But yeah, it's really cute. I'll be filming my next video very soon, so keep watching for my updates. And yeah, that's it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post. Bye. Jones on the beat.